Having trouble drawing a face in profile? This video is perfect for you, so come with me. Hey everyone, I'm Mobin, and today I'll show you how to draw a face in profile. Let's go. First, as always, start by drawing a circle, like this. Next, draw another circle inside the first circle, like this. Now draw a vertical line through the middle of the circles. Next, draw a horizontal line through the middle of the circles and extend your vertical line a bit like this. Now, in front of our horizontal line, draw a vertical line down to the end of the vertical line extending from the circle. From the point where the vertical bisecting line exits the circle, draw a slanted line connecting it to the vertical line on the side of the circle. Look carefully. Now what remains is like a Sudoku game. You must know that the upper eyelid is placed on this horizontal line, the ear is positioned in this quarter of the circle, and the nose extends from the eye to the ear. Look carefully. And as always, here's a little trick. Take a screenshot and use it for reference. If you're unsure how to draw the human body in perspective, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.